Hi, this is Udi Tirosh from DIYPhotography.net. We're here at PhotoPlus 2019 walking the floor, bringing you all the good stuff. And I'm here with Ryan from Rode, and he's going to talk to us about the new Rode NTG5.
DIY Photography's coverage of PhotoPlus 2019 is sponsored by Luminar, an AI-powered photo editor. PhotoPlus, immerse yourself in the world of photo and video. Cozy Speed, the fastest camera bags in the world. And Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
So Ryan, I understand that you have a new NTG5 out. Tell me a little bit about this microphone.
Okay, so this is the NTG5 location recording kit. Now the NTG5 is a result of years of making shotgun microphones at Rode. We've been doing it for over 15 years now. And what we wanted to do with the NTG5 was take a lot of the feedback we've received from location sound guys over the years and make literally the location sound guy's dream microphone. What you need for that is a really lightweight microphone, nice and short so it's easy to wield indoors, outdoors, all that kind of stuff. Something that can handle really bad weather because often you'll be recording outdoors, and of course a really, really nice tight pickup and good sound quality. And that's what we've done in the NTG5.
So how directional is this microphone?
Right, so if you check out on Rode.com the spec sheet, we actually always publish exactly the directionality of the mic. But with a shotgun microphone, they typically rise in directionality, so they can become more directional at higher frequencies. But the NTG5 is a really nicely directional microphone, and we've actually tailored the actual frequency response to the directionality of the microphone as well, so that basically you have a really nice flat frequency response down to about 80 hertz, where we have a roll-off, really gentle roll-off. And what that means is that you're really utilizing the microphone in its best kind of environment with higher frequencies where you're cutting out the environment and then giving you really nice flat detail, which is what you're after for a faithful reproduction of what you're recording.
So I heard you saying that this microphone is a little bit more flat, and I know that some of the previous ones were more bassy.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Tell me a little bit about the voice signature of this microphone.
Right, so if you look at the NTG5, what we wanted to do is create a really flat microphone for sound acquisition so that you can pick up a really faithful reproduction of what you're recording, and then you can do anything you need in post. So the microphone is flat from 80 hertz, where we have the roll-off at low frequencies, all the way up to 2 kilohertz, and then we have a really nice slight lift in the frequency response just for a bit of presence for voice reproduction. We've tailored the frequency response of the microphone so that it picks up everything really nice and flat so that it's a faithful reproduction of what you're recording.
Where does this microphone sit in terms of your microphone range?
Right, okay, so the NTG5 sits right in the top range with the NTG3 and NTG8 series, which are our true condenser RF bias microphones. Now, without getting into the detail of an RF bias capture, what it means is that this microphone can be used in crazy environments where it can be really cold, really hot, condensation on the mic, and it will keep working, rather than a lot of microphones that will stop working in environments where they get moisture on the capsules. It also has conformal coating on the circuit board so that it's actually waterproofing the circuit board so you don't have problems with moisture and humidity, and it's something that you can use in any environment, whether you're using it for outdoor motorsport on the sides of a track for 5 days at a time, or whether you're using it in a studio environment. The NTG5 will just work in all of those.
And one thing I've noticed is that it's extremely short.
Yeah.
I would have expected a much longer mic.
Yeah, the nice thing with the NTG5 is that we wanted to make something that you could use for both indoor and outdoor, and something that's really light. I mean, if you're a boom guy and you're holding this microphone on a 6 or a 12-foot boom pole, I mean, every small amount of weight difference makes a huge difference at the end of that boom pole. So the nice thing with the microphone being so short is that we've actually made it out of aluminium as well, and we've made it extremely light. It weighs only 76 grams. I mean, feel the weight of that microphone.
That's flying out of my hand.
Yeah. The nicest thing about this mic for boom guys that are going to be holding it at the end of a long boom pole is that it almost weighs nothing. 76 grams. It's going to be the lightest part of the whole rig.
Let's talk about what you get in the package. So when you buy the microphone, what do you get and how much does it cost?
Right, so what it comes with is the PG2R pistol grip, which you see right here. It has the PG2R Pro cable, which actually suspends the microphone off the PG2R, and you don't get handling noise through the cable if you get any bumps. You can see that kind of isolates it. It comes with the WS10 windshield, so we actually give you an outdoor fur windshield so that you can use it in outdoor environments. It goes on just like that. And for indoor studio environments, it also comes with a standard foam windshield. And the nice thing with these windshields is that they actually improve the directivity of the microphone. A lot of the times when you get a windshield with a shotgun microphone, it will detract a little bit from the frequency response of the mic, because all windshields kind of roll it off a little bit. And there's usually no benefit to using one other than to block the wind. Whereas with this windshield, it will actually improve the directivity of the microphone, which is quite incredible.
And how much do they cost, and when can we get them?
So the whole kit is $499 in the US, incredibly, especially for a microphone that has only 10 dBA of self-noise and is actually really nice and sensitive, so you don't have to push your preamps up too loud. So $499 for the entire kit, and we're shipping it from Australia right now.
Thank you so much for this information, Ryan. We're going to be reviewing one of the NTG5s on the blog, so stay tuned. We're going to keep walking the floor here at PhotoPlus 2019, give you all the good stuff. We're also giving away a bunch of cool gear. Check out the link below to participate. Hit like, subscribe. We'll be seeing you around.